What was it like before you came on this retreat? What were you thinking?
So before I was coming on this retreat, I've got family. So I've got a little tot who's 3 years old, and I was nervous about leaving her. So obviously it's a real treat to go away for a week.
Yeah.
And also meeting strangers.
Yes.
So you thought, oh gosh, so, you know, we've had all the pandemic and all the rest of it, not seeing many people, and then going on holiday with people you don't know. And they were probably my main worries. But actually, once I got here, there was nothing to worry about, because the people that have come on holiday are lovely, really friendly. They want to have fun, and you know, our day starts with mindfulness. So on a beautiful platform, and we can look over into the mountains, watch the sunrise. It's a beautiful, for me, energy is king. So if there's a lovely energy, I'm there, wherever. And it's a stunning energy. You've got the sun, the warmth, which, let's face it, England is pouring, it's cold. Get me on that plane. So actually the concerns that I had weren't a worry. So once I got here, made new friends, we've had a real giggle. I can stretch a bit further now. So then we'll go on, we start with mindfulness, the mind, the body, the calming, beautiful way to start the day. And then we will have a delicious breakfast. I'm vegan, so I've been absolutely spoiled. That said, it's been catered for vegetarians, so I totally get that. You might want a bit of cheese, that's all there, dairy. And then it's Pilates, and that's in a beautiful studio, and you can see the mountains, you can hear the birds, you can see the olive groves, you can see the poppies. It's stunning. Oh, and then it's really hard. You have to then go by the swimming pool. So then you just tan yourself a bit more. And then guess what? Then you've got lunch, and a delicious lunch. So then you go on to lunch. And then after lunch, you can go for a walk. So I've been really spoiled here. They've got a gorgeous little puppy. So I take her for walks. So I can go off with the puppy. I've been taking her up to, I've been taking her up to the hill. And I've been walking her most days and giving her attention because I'm a massive animal lover. And then it's time for yoga. So off to yoga, more stretching. And I have never, well, no, I lie. I haven't done yoga for ages. So if you're a beginner and you're really nervous, it's not a problem. Adele will cater for 3 levels. So it covers you beginner, medium, advanced, and yoga is exactly the same. If it's too much some days, you just give it a break and you go and lay by the swimming pool. So after yoga, you get to have a snack, and it's homemade veggie food. And then you can have a siesta or go for a walk. And then guess what? You've got dinner. Yeah. So then you get fed again. So then you've got dinner, and the food has been exceptional, really spoiled, lovely and lucky. And there are excursions, so if you want to go out, we went for a beautiful hike and a stunning mountain, and it was only 20 minutes away, really good value, all organised. So that was just good for burning off some energy in a different way. So I'd highly recommend it. For those that are scared of taking the leap, don't be, just do it, you know, because if you're thinking, oh, this could happen, that could happen, it's not going to, is it? Let's face it, you're getting on a plane, you're going to a hot country, you're doing some stretching and perhaps some serious stretching at times, being fed really good food, lovely people, make new friends, and there's all the well-being as well. So if you want coaching to help your mind, and let's face it, we all probably need it after a pandemic, Adele will support you through that whole process, and then, you know, back to England. So just do it.